Indian actor Aditi Rao Hydari is in Cannes for the third consecutive year. She came to the Bharat Pavilion where she participated in a session on ace cinematographer Santosh Sivan, who's being awarded this year with the Pia Angelou Award, which is given for excellence in photography at the Cannes Film Festival. She told me about her experience of working with him in a film, as well as the response that she's receiving to the Hira Mandi series, where she has worked with director Sanjay Leela Bansali. Take a look. Indian actor Aditi Rao Hydari is at the Bharat Pavilion of the Cannes Film Festival. Such a pleasure to have you, Aditi, on DD India. You are here because a tribute is being paid, the Pia Angelou tribute to ace cinematographer Santosh Sivanji. Tell us about your association with him. What are the kind of films that you've done with him? What do you feel about his work?
I've actually only done one film with him, but it was a very special film because it was a film with Mani Ratnam, and Santosh sir was the cinematographer, and it was incredible to watch them both work together and their synergy, and just the fact that they're both legends, and I got to be directed by a legend and filmed by a legend. So I felt very blessed to do that, and I hope I get to work with him more.
What stands out in his work? Is it his lighting, or how do you look at his philosophy towards lighting? Because he told me that he believes that life is all about mystery. Mysteries are all about the way he plays with lights.
I mean, absolutely. I think that's what it is, right? Cinematography, or photography, or it's how light hits whatever it is that you're shooting, and it's that magic that light creates. But it takes a legendary and incredible cinematographer like Santosh Sivan to create magic with light, because the way they look at things, the way they look at the world, the way they look at beauty, the way they look at a frame, the way they look at life is different. And so you see that in their work, and that's what makes it magical, and that's what makes it eternal.
Is there a strong comfort factor that you feel when you have him around, and would you like to work with him in future as well?
100%, of course. I think I've been very lucky to have had incredible directors, incredible cinematographers that I've worked with, and they've all been mentors to me, and I've really learned a lot just by following them around, actually, because a lot of them have been very, very senior people whose work I've seen growing up as well and dreamt of working with one day. So yes, of course, I would hope that I work with him again, and I really look forward to that.
You are in news for the Hira Mandi series. How has the reception been?
It's been overwhelming. It's been incredible. The love just keeps growing. I love Sanjay sir. Sanjay Leela Bhansali is truly globally celebrated filmmaker, and he's precious. And I'm so excited with all the conversations, all the reels, the reception, the fact that globally it's being spoken about and loved, and yes, I'm really happy.
You come to Cannes every year. How is it to be back at the Bharat Pavilion?
I mean, this is my third year at Cannes, and I'm a very proud L'Oreal Paris girl. So I'm here this year as well, representing my brand, and it feels amazing to come back to the Bharat Pavilion, because I feel like every year it gets bigger and better, and there's some incredible people here that one gets to meet, and there's a pride, of course. Indian films. Payal Kapadia's film is in competition this year. I hope I can watch it. I look forward to the kind of work that she'll be doing, and it's a matter of huge pride. And I know that I'm going to be doing the first official Indo-British production called Lioness, and that's going to be shot soon in London. So I look forward to that. And I think that India is really, as a cinematic power, is really reaching the world, and for its rooted stories, and for its own unique culture, and how we are as a filmmaking nation, and filmmaking country, and I'm very happy that India is being celebrated all over the world, and the India Pavilion shows that.
I spoke to Indian actor Chhaya Kadam, who has acted